Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Maserati Quattroporte. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Maserati is a great value with less than 36,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and spare tire kit.